G'day trendsetters. It's probably well and truly harvest time for the ginger. It's midwinter here. We've had some pretty cold weather, pretty damp weather. So fingers crossed that none of this has gone rotten in the pot, but I think we're pretty good. We'll find out. I've got two harvests. So I've got the ginger in a pot, which has been here for about 9 months since I potted it. And I've got my other ginger up there, which has been in the ground for over 2 years. A bit of a comparison in the time frame and also growing in the soil compared to in a pot. That had lots of compost and fertiliser and mulch and everything added to it. So I'm hoping there's some nice big ginger roots up there. So I'll get this bloke into the wheelbarrow and find out what we got. Let's go. Ooh. It doesn't look like any of the roots have made it through to the soil, so that's something. Oh, look at that. Not bad for a start. So I put originally three, I'm going to call them thumbs, 3 thumbs of oh, look at that. That would have been the original there. So 3 thumbs of garlic, 3 thumbs of ginger. That's magnificent. Oh, look at this one. Woo! I can't quite find there's the original there. Look at that. That's what I started with. That's what I got. I'll put a link in that corner to the planting of this ginger, so you can see how it all started and what I did with the potting mix. But that should be it. That is fantastic. That's exceeded my expectations. I'm stoked with that. Look at it. Look at this. Woohoo! What I'll do, I'll have to leave it out in the sun a couple of days to dry, and I'll trim those roots off and give it a wash, and ginger for miles. Alright, now I'll go and dig up this. I really want to see how these ones in the soil have done. But that's the ginger growing, the ginger in the pot harvest. Wackadoo. So, this is the ginger that's been in the ground for 2 years now. So, as you can tell, it's well and truly had enough of the weather we've been having. And I can already see a huge clump of ginger. Just wondering where I'm going to have to put the fork under. Anyhow, let's try it here. Yep. Whoa, can you hear it? Oh, listen to that. All right. Oh, okay. Ginger for miles again. Look at that. That's just, oh. I don't even remember what I planted in here. At the time, it wouldn't have been much. It would have been a corm or two. So this is 2 years. It's just packed in there. Look at that. Oh. So I'm in a warm temperate climate, which means obviously, I mean, we've had frost for the last 2 or 3 days. Unusually wet winter. We usually have a fairly dry winter, but a wet summer, and we have had one of the wettest summers on record. So everything has been going great for these guys. But if you do live in a warm temperate climate, then by all means give ginger a go, because it doesn't take up that much room. This is like, what, probably a square metre, and if I did this 3 times over, I mean, I'm never going to be able to get through all that much. Well, I might, who knows, but it's still, between the pot and this, it's a lot of ginger. This is also the first time I've ever grown ginger and seen the results like that, so stoked, super stoked. I don't think there's any more in here. No. That's it. I think what I'll do is I'll put a couple of rows of peas in here. So we're in mid-July, which is, if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, mid-July is the middle of winter here for us in Australia. So I'll put some peas in. They should be ready, finished and over and done with by the end of September, and then I'll plant a couple of patches of ginger in here again. I don't think I'll worry about pots. That was just to see how they went. They went well. If you live in a balcony type setup or a small backyard, then if you want to grow ginger in a pot, by all means have a go. It works well. So there you go. I'm just rambling now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, super duper, that's just terrific. And I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers and bye for now. Any comments on the ginger, please let me know in the comments. Questions, anything, fine. Love to hear from you. Great. Woohoo!